Hello and welcome to the September issue of PMV Middle East. What constitutes a successful and powerful brand? What are the criteria for leadership, especially when it concerns the plant machinery and vehicle sector? While some may say it's the number of units sold, others might argue that it's how prestigious and long-lasting a brand is. Yet others may be of the opinion that it's the innovation and technologies that a company has introduced. What about being the first to market with something that's game-changing and more efficient? Or what about a combination of all of these? Well, there are as many ways of measuring success as there are successful brands. Which is why, in this month's PMV Middle East, we simply chose to rank the most popular construction equipment and commercial vehicle brands in the Middle East in an alphabetical order as we went about compiling our annual Manufacturers' Power List. Featured on the list is the global elite of the vehicles and equipment industry, 28 brands in all and one local homegrown brand. The global brands comprise truck makers such as Daimler, Ford Trucks, the PACCAR, Traton and Volvo Group brands, and Japanese giants like Hino and UD Trucks. While on the machinery side, the likes of Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi, JCB, Case, Liebherr, Manitowoc, Terex Genie, and Bobcat find mentions, as do the ever-present Chinese brands such as Sany, XCMG and Zoomlion. And the Swedish contingent is represented by Volvo Construction Equipment and Sandvik. Meanwhile, power equipment manufacturer Galadari Energy Solutions is a UAE brand that we also shed light on in the list. Elsewhere in the issue, we look at some really exciting developments in the region's PMV sector. We see how Al Masaood and Chinese commercial vehicles maker Dongfeng are coming together in the region, how Johnson Arabia used a strategic approach in a challenging heavy lifting project, and how Hitachi Construction Machinery Middle East is expanding its footprint in the wider region by signing up a new dealer for South Sudan. On a personal note, I'd like to send out my greetings to the region's machinery and vehicle sector. Many of you will know me from my previous stint in the industry, where in my 6+ years I met some wonderful people and made lasting friendships in a sector that is as warm and welcoming as it is dynamic. After taking over the helm of PMV Middle East last month, I'm looking forward to renewing old bonds and forging new ones. This is Anirban Bakhchi, editor of PMV Middle East. See you in the next issue.